Hey everyone, and yeah, MA11105 here, and we're gonna be taking a look at the brand new iPad mini. This one. So right here, I have the 64GB Wi-Fi model. Includes like all of that. And this right here is my old iPad, and I'd be using it to play Roblox and like do a lot of stuff with it. However, it's just getting slow, and I feel like I just had to take a break from this, get away from this and get this one instead. What am I gonna be doing with the iPad, you may ask? Gonna give it to my brother here.
Yep.
Alrighty. So, let's open this thing, and yeah. And also expect this to be like a pretty long video because we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to check this out. Gameplay tests, accessory tests. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in this video apparently. So, yeah. Check out the box, front, sides, Apple logos on the top and bottom too. So, yeah, let's get this baby open. Wow, that feels relaxing. Oh, and FYI, this was supposed to be a birthday gift. However, my birthday was on November 5th, but since it's like December 12th, yeah, it arrived really late. So, yeah, now I got it. Now let's slide this thing open. Just wait a bit. Come on. Cartoon. Oh yeah, the normal cardboard. I don't even know of these cardboard. Ooh, this thing's small. It's light too. Alrighty. So what can we find in here? The iPad itself, wrapped in plastic, not plastic. I mean paper, not plastic. Oh gosh, I thought I wasn't gonna make any grammar mistakes, but of course I did. Like how much mistakes I made in my iPhone SE video last year. This is, so in here you get to find your certain information, like in the stickers. And they got the new stuff, like the, 20-watt USB-C charger, the brick, and the USB to USB-C cable. That's pretty much everything in the box. Set that aside. So yeah, let's unwrap this. So what's on this iPad, you may ask? We have the normal screen itself, of course, obviously. The magnetic connector for the Apple Pencil. Speakers, USB-C input. Blank side. We got the volume buttons up and down. Good, it didn't turn on. And the power button with Touch ID. Feels smooth. And so, yeah, let's turn this baby on. There we go, the Apple logo. Okay, let's turn on my iPad. So, it's ready to, do everything. And for size comparison, it's really small, apparently. Yeah. Look at that animation. This is the liquid retina display, which I pretty much haven't even seen before. So yeah, just wipe up. Here we go, and now we're on the setup screen. So right here, we need to set up our language, United States, quick start. Here, so yeah, this is the prompt that just popped up. Set up your new iPad. Set up your new iPad, this will transfer your current settings. Unlock to continue. Okay, so how this usually works is that on the other iPad, it'll need to scan a code, which is on this like a little ball of like, I don't know, molecules. Anyways, let's go scan it real quick. There we go. Finish on the new iPad. Okay, enter the passcode of your other iPad. Okay. Oh wait, wrong passcode. Alrighty. Okay, set up a new iPad. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, I'll see y'all when it's ready. Okay, it's done. Set that aside. Touch ID now. Let's do that. Okay, so continue. This thing is extremely fast also, just like my iPhone SE. Okay. Huh, that was quick. Continue. Now the other fingerprint. Yeah. Oh. Oops. It's just that it's so fast I can do it in like under 30 seconds. There we go. Continue. Added. Okay, transfer your data. Transfer from iPad or download from iCloud. So, download from iCloud is like the fastest option. Like, you can start using your iPad in about 15 minutes. Data will download it later over Wi-Fi. There's a transfer from iPad, so you'll be able to... So you'll be ready with your data when you set up. However, it does take 45 to 55 minutes. So, I think I would be downloading from iCloud. Yeah. Just setting up my Apple ID and everything. Terms and conditions. Yeah, I know all of those. Anyway, so let's just unwrap this thing. Paper. And it just feels like exactly like the old USB charger. Like the normal USB-A. Of course, now we got the USB to USB cable. Oh, there. Set up. Oops. Okay, make this your new iPad. Here's everything you used to had on your iPad. Apps and data. Yep. And settings, appearance, screen time, and more. Yeah. Continue. Terms and conditions, agree. Oh yeah, this iPad has started a new backup, so your new iPad will use up-to-date apps and data. Stay connected to the Wi-Fi and power, and make sure the backup can be completed. Estimating time. Okay. Agree. Siri. Of course, we did Siri when I was unboxing my iPhone SE last year. Okay, continue.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, AC is ready. And also it said that when you're ready, come back and this iPad ready to trade it in, sold or given away. So yeah, you can either give away this iPad. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna give it to my brother, like I said earlier. Yeah, done. Alrighty, now we can set that aside. Close it. Okay, now it's ready. No, not now. No. Okay, it's gonna restart from iCloud real quick. Yeah, and I'll let you know when it's ready. Hey, everything's now set. It's on. Touch ID. And there we go. The brand new iPad mini just stored on, everything stored on here. Alrighty. So while we do that, let's do accessory testing. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be looking at is this case. On my birthday, November 5th, I got both of these accessories for my iPad, and I got this case and this stylus. They were both from Amazon, obviously. And we're gonna be taking a look at this one. So what this one is usually is it's supposed to be like a little... Okay, so this is supposed to act like a really protective case. You see there's a holder for your Apple Pencil. You can... And it has like a little screen protector here. And yeah. Also has a little stand. So you could just stand your iPad like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this thing in real quick. However, it's kind of difficult, and I don't want to waste time, like more time on this video. So yeah, I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, it's been a bit, but it's finally in there. It really took me a while. So wait, screen rotation log on. Oh yeah, there we go. That's more like it. So you just do that. Then you unlock it. Next is the Apple Pencil. Well, it's a it's supposed to be called an active stylus. Here, see? Look at the instructions, active stylus. So, what it includes, it actually charges on it's a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is really neat. At least it's not a mini USB, because that's really overrated. So, this is supposed to be like a little active stylus. You just turn it on, and apparently, it works by itself. Like just get some... Yeah. And you can actually get your little notes done. So, however, this doesn't support, like, the touch gestures. Let me change the thickness. Object eraser. So yeah, you can just take like a little quick note with this thing. So yeah, you can just take a little note. Sorry for the bad handwriting. I have pretty bad handwriting, obviously. And I could just set the Apple Pencil down, just like that. And yeah, so first off, we're gonna be doing gameplay testing on Roblox, obviously. I usually like playing Roblox most of the time. So, we're gonna be testing if it's pretty laggy or not. We're gonna be looking at this game that's really laggy for me on my iPad 5, Bus Simulator. It's a pretty cool game. I'll probably leave a link in the description if I can. So yeah, let's get some gameplay going. Okay, sorry guys, I just had to turn on the microphone. Okay, so yeah, this is Bus Simulator, a pretty cool game where you just ride on a bus or something. And, okay, so if you're looking down in the bottom right, no, bottom left. If you look at the bottom left, there's an FPS count. And on my iPad 5, it's like around like 1 to 20 FPS. Like, no, wait, around 1 to 15 FPS, which is like really bad. So, yeah. There's still a bit of potato mode if you look at the left, but, yeah, it actually works really well, better than my last one. This one runs on like, I think it's 815? I don't know, I kind of forgot. But yeah, this is really nice. Really nice for gameplay. And yeah. I really like this smooth gameplay. More smoother. Alrighty. Well, let's go continue. Hey, I just got done. And honestly, it's really good gameplay. Yeah. And the exact setup for my widgets is actually the same. So yeah. We tested the drawing, we tested the games. Now let's test the camera. We always gonna test the camera. And honestly, I really think this is a really good camera. So, there's also zoom, which I've been wanting for a while. Oh wait, there's zoom up to 5x. Well, yeah, I guess that was on my old iPad. For video, there's multiple options. But, it said that you could, yeah, and it restores the progress. If you go down to camera, record video, there's a 4K at 60 frames per second option. So if you go back to the camera app, we get this really smooth style of filming. So yeah, let me just do a camera test real quick.
Hey, this is not the same recording test I did on the review thing. I have no idea where that original recording test went. I know I was going to put it in the review and everything, but this is a completely new video. This was not from like 3-4 years ago. So this is a quick camera test. Here's like the bedside part of my room. Got Stray Kids stuff right there, collectibles right here, some personal stuff here, DVDs in there, and whatnot. Okay, so everything in the video so far I don't really use anymore, but some of the stuff. Mainly the case. I use this composition book looking case now. I still have the same active stylus thing, and it does still work. And I still use the same charger. Unfortunately, I think it was this side right here, has been kind of like breaking off, so I've been using these protectors I got from Daiso. Yeah, this is a quick camera test. Honestly, compared to all other cameras I've used before, it's okay. I'm gonna say it's good, but it's like okay now I think about it, using other cameras and knowing about more other cameras and stuff. Anyway, that was a quick camera test. Okay, back to the video.
So I guess the camera wasn't really that bad. Oops, flashlight's on for some reason. But it wasn't really that bad. It's still kind of the same quality as the normal iPad, but yeah, it's still good in any ways. It's a 12 megapixel camera on the rear, so yeah, pretty cool. Now, there's if the Apple Pencil is connected to this thing, we can the Apple Pencil setting will be applied. Yeah. So yeah, you can enable this. Sorry for the bad lighting. Try Scribble. Yeah, well. And yeah, apparently you can just cross it out. Yeah, my handwriting is pretty bad, which is gonna be a problem. You can cross it, you can strike through it to select it. Scribble on it to just delete it, yeah. Circle, draw a line through text to easily select it. Yeah, see, just circle it, or you can circle certain words. Easy. Okay, insert, tap and hold the pencil in any inaudible field to make room for additional text. Oh, yeah. Sorry, yeah, my handwriting's pretty bad, apparently. Join characters by separating words. I don't even know what I did there. Anyways, yeah. There's a left corner side for screenshots. See? And right corner swipe. However, there's other options, but well, yeah, the only option for right corner swipe is either the screenshot or off, right corner swipe, quick note or off. Yeah. Put that back. Pops in. Alrighty. So what should we try next? I honestly don't even know. However, yeah. It is an iPad, so I guess we can probably stop it there. So, I guess we're now done here for the iPad Mini 6 review. See you all in the next video. So yeah, bye.